surface area and volume. This is a chapter in class 10. Chapter of class 10. First we will think about the circle. You know what is a circle, and it is the center point of the circle, and this is called diameter. This is called the diameter. Diameter joining the extreme points, two opposite extreme points of the circumference. Okay? Diameter and half of the diameter, the center, half of the diameter, this is your radius. This is your radius. So d is equal to 2r. D is equal to 2r. Now we will consider what is the arc of a circle. Arc of a circle. Actually, arc of a circle, it is a part of the circumference. You know, this boundary is called the circumference. Suppose I take a part of this. Suppose this is AB. So AB is an arc. AB is an arc. AB is an arc. This is an arc. Okay? Now we will consider this is an arc. Now this is the center point. Now we will discuss about the sector. What is the sector? Now if from the center if I will draw two radius to join two points on the circumference, then this is called the sector. This is called a sector, and we can give a name to this sector. Suppose AOB. AOB is a sector. AOB is a थोड़ा साइड में होके is a sector. AOB is a sector. Okay. Now area of a sector. Area of a sector. Area of a sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Pi r square. Because you know pi r square is the area of this. Pi r square it is the area of the circle. Area of the circle, and theta it is the angle made by the center. It is the angle made by the sector, at the center of the circle, at the center of the circle. So this angle is we can take as theta. This angle is your suppose theta. This angle is suppose I am taking theta. So area of the sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square, where pi r square is equal to area of the circle, and theta it is the angle made by the sector at the center of the circle. Sometimes in question you will get the angle is given in a radian. Angle is given in a radian. Now we will discuss what is a radian. What is a radian? But one radian क्या होता है? What is one radian? Now to understand this, suppose this is the center of the circle. Let let the radius of the circle is the 8 centimeter. Let radius of circle is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Let radius of the circle is the 8 centimeter. So I will take an arc. But suppose let radius of the circle is the 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Now I will take an arc having length 4 centimeter. Suppose this is the length. Suppose your PQ is an arc. PQ is an arc. PQ arc and its length is equal to 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Now we will join this P and O. O is the center point and Q and O. And this angle. Suppose this is the angle alpha. This is the angle alpha made by the arc at the center. At the center. So alpha is equal to angle alpha. Angle alpha is equal to 1 radian. Alpha is equal to 1 radian. And the circle. One circle is equal to 2 pi radian. One circle is 2 pi radian. 2 pi radian. Because you know the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So out of 2 pi r, how many arcs we can cut having length? Suppose this is your length r, which is 4 centimeter. So how many arcs we can make? 2 pi r divided by r is equal to 2 pi. So one circle is equal to your 2 pi radian. One circle is equal to your 2 pi radian, because your circumference is 2 pi r and we are taking an arc having length equal to the radius. Then the angle made by this arc having length r at the center is called 1 radian. 1 radian. Okay? Now what is a chord? Now we will discuss what is a chord. Chord is a line joining two opposite points of the circumference. So here you see this is a chord. This is a chord. Suppose this is your AB and this is your CD. CD is also a chord. And the line passing through the center of the circle, it is also the chord. It is also chord. Suppose this is the XY and XY is the diameter. XY is the diameter of the circle and XY diameter, it is the largest chord. It is the largest chord in the circle. Largest chord in the circle. Any other chord we will draw in the circle, its length will be less than diameter. Less than diameter. So diameter is the largest chord in the circle. Segment of a circle. About the segment of a circle. Okay. Now you see this is the center. Now I am taking a chord. Suppose this is the chord. Now this area is called the segment. This area bounded by this chord and the arc, this is called the segment. We can give a name to this. Suppose PQR. We can write this as a segment PQR. Segment PQR. Similarly, we can find the area of the segment also. We can find the area of the segment. Now, in order to find the area of the segment, now I have to join this P and R with the center of the circle O. Okay? Suppose this, here it is making an angle theta. Here it is making an angle theta. Now the area for segment PQR is equal to area of sector OPQR minus area of triangle POR, angle of triangle POR, area of triangle POR. And you know this area of sector will be theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of the triangle POR is equal to half r square sin theta. I will explain in my next video how the area of this circle is half r square sin theta. Okay, you just remember this formula, and how this area is half r square sin theta I will explain in the next video. Okay, come to length of the arc.
बेटा कल के होमवर्क रजिस्टर कहाँ है? क्लास वर्क होमवर्क चेक योर बैग, जल्दी से चेक करो। पता है कितना मेरे को परेशान होना पड़ा।
Suppose
तो होमवर्क में
I am taking the
कॉपी चेक करो, वो बैग चेक करो। क्लास वर्क होमवर्क
I am taking an arc that it be xy. I am interested to find out the length of the arc xy. In order to find, now we will join to its center of the circle, and you will find xy arc will be theta by 360 into 2 pi r. This is the formula where theta is the angle made by the made by the arc at the center of the circle. This angle is theta. So length of the arc is equal to given by this formula, theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay.